you fall, I'll stand up with you forever. You okay? I've never seen this. I've never been on your bed before.
You don't say. No, don't. Don't! Don't start that again. Ah! I'm sorry.
Joey. Oh, my eye. My eye. My other eye. Is Trish blow drying her hair?
Oh, I thought you were going to say something else.
You're nasty.
Bye.